These morning routines will help you manifest what you want using the law of attraction. And in this video, I'm going to show you my number one morning routine that gives me the best results. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Mary Kate, and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. And if you're new here, my channel is all about law of attraction, manifesting, meditations, and more, transforming your life from the inside out. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you always get notified whenever I post a new video, because you won't want to miss them. I personally think mornings are one of the most powerful times to set intentions and create what you want using the law of attraction. All of those outside influences, all of those external forces, all of those emotions and stressful experiences and everything that you've done throughout the day haven't influenced your mindset yet. When you wake up each morning, you are a blank, clean slate. And it's the perfect time to set an intention and decide what you're going to manifest for that day. So keep in mind, you don't have to get overwhelmed and try all of these different things every single morning. I get it. You have places to go, people to see, times to wake up, kids to get out of bed. I know everybody has daily life going on, but you can pick and choose and see which of these activities that you can implement into your morning routine that will really, really help boost your manifesting results. Because even if you pick one thing, it can make a dramatic difference in what you attract into your life, and especially what you see each day. So my first huge tip is to keep a journal next to your bed. I got a pack of these on Amazon. They were super cheap. They're just recycled cardboard and like recycled paper. But these are amazing to have next to your bed, because in the morning when you first wake up, it is a great practice to write down your dreams from the night before. Or if you have the energy in the middle of the night, write down your dreams then, because writing down your dreams has so much powerful meaning behind it. I plan to do a whole video on what your dreams mean and what your subconscious mind is trying to tell you. But basically, your subconscious mind works through things that are going on in your mind, working through issues, working through unanswered questions, working through things that you're thinking about all day, and it all comes about in your dreams. So if you have the energy, like I said, to write down your dreams in the middle of the night, that's great and good for you. But if you prefer, write them down in the morning, first thing when you wake up, when it's still fresh on your mind. Doesn't matter what the dream is about, even if you just saw an animal. So writing down your dreams has so much power, because you can get a glimpse into what your subconscious mind is trying to comprehend and what answers it's trying to give you. And it's just so amazing how the brain can kind of process things while you're sleeping through dreams. So writing down your dreams is an extremely powerful practice that will really help you gain insight into the answers you're trying to find, and the next decision you need to make, and just all of the things that you're processing on a day-to-day basis. So keeping one of these little journals next to your bed is so unbelievably helpful. And a lot of these other techniques use journaling as well. So just having a journal you keep right next to your bed where you can use all of these different practices, it's a great tip. Here is something you can do each and every morning that won't take you any extra time, but choose an affirmation for the day. It can be anything that feels right or anything that you intend to attract, but something that really truly resonates with you. I always say affirmations don't work unless you connect a feeling or emotion to it, because you could say, I am abundant, I am abundant, I am abundant all day long. But if you have no feeling or emotion attached to it, it really doesn't mean much. You have to have something that invokes feeling or excitement or happiness or joy or bliss or, something that makes you feel abundant. One of my favorite affirmations that I go to all the time is, I accept and expect miracles. I accept and expect miracles. You're laying out what your expectations are and being open to receive miracles. It sets a great tone for your day. And anytime I've started my day off with that affirmation, I've always had really great things come my way. So choose an affirmation that truly resonates with you. It can be a new one each day. It can be the same one each day. You can put it on a Post-it note and put it on your bathroom mirror. Just repeat it in your mind as you're brushing your teeth. Just something that you can repeat throughout your day, especially if you have a stressful day coming up, or if you have something you've been dreading, or if you have a long work day or anything like that. It's great to have this affirmation to kind of shift back, because those stressful experiences or those perceived negative experiences are going to try and pull your mindset away from feeling abundant and happy and all of those things you need to feel to attract what you want. So if you have an affirmation to kind of come back to kind of ground you back into that reality that you are consciously creating your life, gives you a sense of control and empowerment, and really helps you to manifest what you intend to manifest. All of those external forces throughout the day, the stress, the job, the demands, the to-do list, all of those different aspects are going to take away that feeling of empowerment and that feeling that you are in control of your life. So the more you can ground back into it, the better results you'll get. Pick an affirmation each day. It doesn't take any extra time, but pick something that really resonates with you. So another use for our handy journal next to the bed is scripting or journaling. I say scripting or journaling because it's such a personal thing, what works best for you when it comes to manifesting. That is the whole foundation of what I teach in my digital course, Abundance Academy. It's a manifesting mini course where I teach you how to use different techniques of the law of attraction based on your learning type and your personality. I think that is hugely overlooked when it comes to studying and practicing the law of attraction. And it's something that you won't find in books, something you won't find in videos. This is my personal concept that the law of attraction works for different people based on your personality and your learning type. I think it is groundbreaking, and that's why I study that so much when it comes to manifesting and using the law of attraction. You cannot overlook how different people manifest things in different ways. Affirmations might work for somebody else, but they might not work for you because you're a visual learner or a certain different kind of learner. So I think that all ties together. So scripting or journaling based on your personal preference. If scripting is something that really resonates with you and excites you, then script. If journaling and getting clear on your mindset or beliefs work best for you, then do that. It doesn't have to be both. If you want to do both, you can, but typically I find that picking one or the other gives you better results. If you want to know more about scripting, I'll leave a link down below and it'll go into all the details of what scripting is, how it works, and all of that. And for journaling, I like to pick something that I'm focused on manifesting. The way I do manifesting is I like to pick one thing per week. If you try and do too many different things at once, it gets very overwhelming and confusing. Pick one thing per week, really put your time and energy into it, and then let it go and move on to the next thing. Just trust that it's on the way after that. That's a whole other lesson. Sorry, I'm going off on a tangent. But for journaling, pick something you're trying to manifest for the week. Get clear on what your core beliefs are, how you feel about it, and just try and find anything that's blocking you in your mindset through journaling. Another huge practice that will transform your life is meditation. I know a lot of people aren't into meditation. A lot of people don't have time in the morning for meditation, but the best thing about meditation is that you don't have to do anything. If you could just set your alarm 10 minutes early, 15 minutes early, you can literally lay in bed and meditate and get the results you want. Meditation is such a powerful practice. People like to meditate at different times of the day, so I'm only suggesting that if you have time in the morning, if it's something that you feel resonates with you, meditate in the morning. Set the intentions for the day. I have a morning miracle meditation that I will leave a link down below. So many people have gotten powerful results from it. When you do this meditation, you just receive like immediate miracles that day. I've had people get raises, people receive amounts of money that they never even knew were on the way. My morning miracle meditation really sets the preface to manifest miracles each day that you listen to it. So like I said, I'll leave a link down below for that. But meditation is such a powerful practice, and it's a great thing to incorporate in your morning routine if that's something that fits with you. And I want to move on to my personal favorite thing that I do as part of my morning law of attraction routine. I think it is one of the most powerful things you can do every single morning, and it only takes a few minutes. I like to call this a preview of your day. I like to get quiet, close my eyes, and see a preview of my day, going about every little detail, everything I need to do that day, everything I need to accomplish that day. I like to go through step by step, visualizing my day exactly how I want it to go and exactly how I expect it to happen. Visualization is such a powerful tool. It stimulates the same part of the brain as actually performing the action. This is why this technique is used by Olympic athletes and doctors and people that need to accomplish certain tasks to perfection. They see themselves going through the action and everything working out perfectly, and the more they can visualize it, that part of the brain has already experienced it, and so that all translates to how it's going to happen in reality. Visualizing your day and seeing a preview of your day exactly how you want it to happen is so powerful. If you're going in that day for a meeting and going to ask for a raise, picture yourself asking for the amount of money that you want and deserve, and picture it going exactly how you want. It'll give you the confidence. It'll give your brain the confidence that it's already been through this and it knows that it all works out for the best. Visualization is seriously life-changing. If you could take 5, 10, 15 minutes each day to set a preview of your day and see your day exactly how you want it. See yourself receiving miracles. See yourself experiencing the things that you want. See yourself consciously creating your life. It is so empowering and it will deliver manifesting results. Set the preview for the day and expect everything to work out in your favor. So the last thing I want to talk about is something that I've gotten into the habit of doing. It doesn't take any time at all. It's really fun and it delivers really powerful results. So you could try out this fun little technique 2 different ways. The first is when your feet hit the floor when you get out of bed in the morning, you can try this, or when you're on your way out, you get in your car, or whenever you're leaving your house for the day. So you can try this at either time, whichever one feels right for you. But what I like to do, and I've gotten the habit of doing and what's given me amazing results, is claim to the universe, I'm ready for magic. Simple as that. By saying I'm ready for magic, it opens you up to being able to receive really magical experiences and situations. I'm not even kidding you. If you just say to the universe, ready for magic, you release that vibe and it comes right back to you. So the second your feet hit the floor in the morning, just say, I'm ready for magic, and see what happens for your day. Or when you get into your car or whenever you leave your house, say, I'm ready for magic, and you will be shocked at how many magical things happen, things you didn't expect, just miracles happen. Because the more you expect miracles, the more you'll see them. And the more you believe in the magic of consciously creating your life, the more magic will come. I just think it's a fun little habit of whenever you're about to leave for the day, whenever you get up for the day, all you have to say is, I'm ready for magic. And just trust that it will happen. It's just a really fun little tool that I've learned, that I've implemented, that has really given me amazing results. And I wanted to share it with you. So be sure to try it out. And if you're going to try out that technique, leave me a comment below and say, I'm ready for magic, because it's such a fun little affirmation to start your day with. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm curious to know which techniques that you plan on trying out. So leave me a comment below and let me know your takeaway or your favorite technique that you plan on trying. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at MKMagicMindset and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next one.